Hi, I'm Karen Wiegert from the National Glass Association. I'd like to update you on some NGA activities to look forward to in 2021. First up is some new task group activities. You heard this morning from our committee leadership about the resources NGA task group volunteers created in 2020. Listed here is a sample of new and continuing activities. I welcome you all to participate in these projects and to suggest other topics for glass technical papers. Just to highlight the first couple of these, lead recycling for glass. This was published back in 2017. Since then, LEED V4 and 4.1 offer some opportunity for credit for glass recycling through participation in an extended producer responsibility EPR program. So we'd like to update this technical document with the details about how to set up an EPR program. The next one in the list here, VIG, best practices for fabrication. Fabrication of vacuum insulating glazing, as I understand, could be done at virtually any IGU fabricator. And this technical paper will expand on our intro to VIG paper with details about how to fabricate. We also have two new manuals to look forward to. Matt Camper, NGA Installing Committee Chair, described the Commercial Fenestration Systems Manual. And the other manual we're planning for the end of this year is the Decorative Glazing Manual. This new manual will cover all things decorative glass, glass types, advantages, design considerations, handling and processing guidelines, installation techniques, maintenance and cleaning, and sustainability. Safety, as we all know, is a top priority in our industry. The National Glass Association Employee Safety Guide is being updated for 2021. This is a reference guide to help your employees protect themselves and your company. The information includes forklift and scaffold safety, OSHA regulations, and how to protect yourself and others from bloodborne pathogens. We also send out a monthly safety bulletin focused on specific topics, such as this example on near misses that can facilitate conversations about safe practices with your team. MyGlassClass.com offers more than 60 online courses on glass and glazing. Nearly 3,000 users have been trained to date on the MyGlassClass.com platform. The courses fit individual learning styles and are interactive and engaging. You can study the materials at your own pace, anytime on demand. You can pull them up on your phone, a tablet, or the computer. This style of training feels so relevant today when our face-to-face interactions are often limited. So if this isn't something you've taken advantage of in the past, you may want to consider it now, especially if you're finding traditional classroom, factory floor, or job site training to be more inconvenient lately. Plus, NGA members get 50% off. Another training option is the NGA Glazier Apprenticeship Program. The curriculum is regularly reviewed and updated by the NGA Installing Committee. If you'd like more information, please contact Jenny Chase at NGA or any of the staff here. Thirsty Thursday is our educational session that we offer once per month for free, and this is open to the entire glass and glazing industry. I've highlighted here 3 popular sessions from 2020. You can watch all the previous sessions at glass.org. Here are the new Thirsty Thursday topics we have planned so far for 2021. In January, Kayla Natividad presented glass options for a healthy built environment. You can also look forward to understanding the tech tables from the Engineering Standards Manual and the Heavy Glass Door Design Guide, environmental product declarations, school security, anisotropy, a new test method is coming out about anisotropy, and finally, hurricane glazing and the Florida Building Code. We'll have other topics as well, but these are just the ones for kind of the first half of the year. Now, our joint activities that we have collaboratively with FGIA, these are 3 topics in process. These are fabricator considerations for large glass products. The goal for this task group is to define oversized glass, application considerations, and limitations, such as storage and handling, transportation, installation, compatibility, standards and tolerances, and applicable certifications. The task group will meet in March to discuss some negative ballot comments that came in from FGIA's ballot but the paper is drafted and has passed the NGA ballot, so we should be getting close to that one. Similar situation with PIB migration. This has been drafted already. The scope is to provide information on compatibility testing of glazing cavity materials that are usually used with PIB primary sealants and IGUs. So there'll be another task group meeting in March. And then lastly, pre-qualification testing of glazing infill for hurricane products. Now, at the last meeting of this joint task group, the task group felt that the NGA laminated glazing reference manual covers this topic in fairly good detail. So they're going to keep discussing the direction for this group later this month. The advocacy and technical department at NGA worked really closely with the magazine team for Glass Magazine. We meet regularly to review topics, to review and upcoming issues. This is in addition to the Your Association at Work pages that we've been publishing for the last couple of years. So our goal is to consistently and clearly share the technical and advocacy initiatives that NGA pursues with the industry at large, not just our member companies. So here you can see some examples of, we've been publishing our technical papers in shorter versions as informational bulletins, and then also some code Q&A articles. So continue to look for those in Glass Magazine. We have several resources for architects and designers. Just to highlight one here, NGA is an approved AIA provider of CES credits. And thanks to the involvement of our volunteer members, we offer approved presentations as part of our resource library. NGA members can use these presentations when reaching out to architects or other interested people. They're approved for use as either in-person or virtual live presentation. We have some on-demand multimedia recordings coming soon for our AIA presentations. And this, you'll see on this slide, since 2019, NGA has been hosting the Glass and Glazing Design Academy with Architectural Record. NGA's accredited AIA presentations are available on demand to architects and design professionals. So far, we've had about 2,900 users and growing. The top courses have been understanding how glazing can impact safety and fire protection, key advances in fire-rated glazing, navigating the world of decorative glass, and several others. So be sure to check out that resource if you haven't already. Thank you. I really appreciate the time today. Thanks for allowing me to go through these resources with you. I hope you'll take advantage. Feel free to reach out to me directly or any of us on the NGA staff. Thanks so much.